Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate coloring like a Wes Anderson movies in CapCut. So here I already add a clip, and after that you can just go to filter, click on the movies category, and then select the green orange filter. Set it to around 90, sorry, like this, and then go to adjust and use this setting. So you can follow my setting, or you can also adjust it on your own based on your video. So for the brightness, increase it to 10, contrast 6, saturation 15, and then go to adjust cell and then adjust each color based on your video, but I use this setting. So for the red one, I'm going to increase the hue to around 10, and then orange hue negative 10, and then saturation 10. Click on the yellow hue negative 4, green one hue negative 4, and then click on the blue hue negative 10. Okay, sorry about that. For the purple color, hue negative 100, and then the magenta hue 100. And after that, just go back. Now click on the highlight negative 10, shadow 20, and then temperature 10, and also fade 10. Now lastly, click on the grain and add it to around 5. Okay, now you can just click on a check icon, and for the last touch you can go to the video effect, click on the lens category, and then add the soft light effect. Okay, this one, and adjust it to around 30. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.